Hello everyone and welcome to another video where I will show you how to crochet this little star. You can use it as a Christmas decoration, a gift embellishment, and if you use a thick yarn, even as a coaster. Try experimenting with different types of yarn to create a wide range of star looks. Just remember to always match the hook size to the recommendation for each yarn. I will show you the process using a Bobbiny 3mm yarn. You will also need a 6mm crochet hook, scissors and yarn needle with a large eye. It's very simple and quick to make, so let's get started. Work 11 half double crochets into a magic ring. Close the ring and join with a slip stitch into the first stitch. Chain 1. Then, in the first stitch, work 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, chain 2, slip stitch into the second chain from the hook, one double crochet and 1 half double crochet, all into the same stitch. Then make a slip stitch into the next stitch. Repeat this sequence 5 more times. Skip the final slip stitch. Skip the final slip stitch. Pull up a loop and cut the yarn, leaving about a 10 cm tail. Thread the tail onto a yarn needle. Sew the opposite ends together and weave in the yarn. Make a knot and cut the yarn. Shape the points of the star as I do. Press it with an iron through a piece of fabric. And the star is finished. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and subscribe.